This is a second-hand KUBOTA U55 for hydraulic crawler excavator. The bucket capacity is 0.19 cubic meters. The core components are all original. Excavator bucket and matching thumb clamp. Boomswing function. Many excavators are flexible in operation, widely used in construction and farm. The working weight of the whole machine is 5,300 kilogram. Power is 47.6 kilowatt. Clean and amazing appearance. Good performance, very flexible. The U55- for excavator is equipped with the original KUBOTA V2607DI engine.